Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I made this lovely Christmas cake. Yes, this is family Christmas cake for your family. You can prepare this very easy, just with your pot, no oven, no mixer. Very easy recipe to prepare. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Seriously, I'll be posting a lot of family recipe. I call this one family because this is Christmas holiday season, so you have to try this out. So you only need a dry pot. You add in some clean stones inside the dry pot. So we'll use it for the baking, and that is all. Just set aside, cover and set aside. Measure out your flour, 250 grams of flour. If you don't have scale, please use your measuring cup. That's 2 1/3 cup of flour. If you measure 2 cups first, you now do 1/3 cup of flour. Please, this is the right way to measure. Make sure you take out the top. Add half tablespoon of baking powder to your flour. Measure your sugar. I'll be using half cup of sugar. You see, half full cup of sugar. I have 126 grams. So if you love sugar, you can make it up to 150, but I'm okay with this. So the next thing is our margarine. So I need just 250 grams of margarine. So we'll start measuring. Please, if you don't have scale, you can use your measuring cups, but measure very well. You'll be using 1 cup of margarine with your measuring cups. So I'll transfer to the cup so that you will see what to do if you're using cup. So for the wet ingredients, liquid ingredients, you need 4 eggs, 4 big eggs. If you're not sure of your eggs, please crack one after the other. I'll be adding half tablespoon of vanilla flavor and half tablespoon of butterscotch flavor. Add few drops of browning. This is my browning. Just your taste, just few drops. I think I'm okay. Please, if you don't have black charcoal and golden syrup, please don't bother. I'm adding just a tablespoon with my eating spoon. Please, if you don't have this black charcoal or golden syrup, please don't bother, use only your brownie. Your cake will still taste lovely. And again, if you don't have cinnamon, I'll be adding cinnamon soon. If you don't have cinnamon, please use your nutmeg. Buy nutmeg and you grate it. Get the seed one and you grate it very well. You're good to go. Your cake will still taste amazing. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So if you have your nutmeg, you can still use 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. So everything is set right now. The dry ingredients, the sugar, wet ingredients, and our butter. You see the dry ingredients. Everything is set right now. Here is our fruits. I'll be using the dry fruits and some cashew nuts for the garnishing. So start creaming. Cream a little and you add in your sugar. Yes, I forgot something. You also need your lemon zest. Yes, you need the lemon zest. It serves as a good preservatives for your cake, and also it has a great flavor. So just the back, I'm good. So my pot is set. You can see how low. Please make sure you reduce your heat very, very well. Please. It's better I stay more than 30 to 40 to even 1 hour than baking faster and burning. So I greased my pan with margarine. I'm dusting with flour. Just dust and remove the excess. So right now I've started preheating the pot. So it's time to start creaming. Cream a little and you add your sugar. Let's cream for 5 minutes and you add in your sugar, and you then cream extra 10 minutes. Cream again for 10 minutes and you start mixing. So a little of the wet ingredients, a little of the dry ingredients you incorporate. Just tap on your table to close up air bubbles. You take it straight to your pot. Open the pot, flex it, and you close very tight. After 25 minutes, I started shaking. Okay, this time my skewer was very came out dried. Wow, that means our cake is ready. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting an alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. You can see this yummy lovely recipe. Seriously, your family will thank you so much. You can see very neat, baked with parts. Yes. To my old subscribers, I love you so. Don't forget to like this video. If you love what you're seeing, give me some thumbs up. Comment, share to your friends and family. This is very easy. You have oven, you will bake this lovely recipe. If you don't have oven, you can also bake it. Let's check the inside. Please feel free to try out this recipe and you get back to me. Join our Telegram. You can share your own experience, your own picture with us on Telegram. I'll put the link of my Telegram on the description box. Thanks for watching.